Hello everybody, welcome to Marvelous Studio 21. Today we are going to make 5 different types of cards for Father's Day. First one is simple tuxedo card. Take equal sized paper of black and white color of A8 size. If you want you can give some embossing also. Then you have to fold it like this and try to sketch a heart shape. Not a perfect heart. Then snip, snip, snip. Cut it like this. Here we get a tuxedo shape of card. Then make a simple bow. I've tried to give it a crease. Paste it. And our simple tuxedo card is ready. Now the second one, it is unique shirt card. I folded the newspaper to half and then I am cutting it because I am not very perfect in cutting shirt shapes. It should be equal from both the sides. Again we have to take equal size of paper. Here also I have taken A8 size. If you don't have a shape cutter, you can cut it with simple scissor also. I was having this zigzag pattern, that's why I'm cutting it with this. It looks nice. Now draw the outer sketch of the shirt on your card. Then open the card and cut it, or else both the sides will be cut. I am making a newsprint shirt, that's why I've cut it all the strips like this. Glue it. Cut the collar and stick it. You can make some good patterns also, like this shirt your dad likes. And this is stitching effect. Now the third one, it is the formal suit card. I've taken A4 sized black paper and A8 size white paper, that is half of A4 size. And I'm cutting this strip to make shirt buttons. Leaving the collar space. I've sticked it leaving the collar space. Fold the coat like this for coat. Cut a small square to give it more natural look. It looks beautiful. Now this is for bow. I'm sticking it at back. So my bow is ready now. And glue it. Apply Fevicol or no stitch glue for buttons because simple glue won't stick it. Doesn't it look like real shirt inside coat? Fourth card, tuxedo flower card. Take a A4 size sheet and cut a square of it after folding it like this, diagonally. Fold it from both the sides so that you can join it in center. Now again we have to make a heart shape out of it. And it became a flower shape. From outside it's like tuxedo and from inside it's flower. And we have ample of space to write our message inside it. Now write down whatever qualities your dad is having. It is not possible to write everything, but try to fill whatever you feel like. Here comes the fifth card. A big bookmark of tie shape. It is way too simple, and if your dad likes to read books, then it is for him. I've made heart shape because this is out of love from a daughter or a son to their dad. If you don't have shape cutter, then you can make circles or small squares. Here are our 5 cards. Now please comment in our comment section and tell me which one you like the most. And any suggestions for the video if you want to give me. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do like and subscribe it.